Alright, 15 minutes.
In this video, I'm going to kill the entire law in 15 minutes because I lost the first 2 times.
The way I have to time it is the moment they get hit by the first nuke, then I do the second.
And this time, I won't lose. First thing I always do is send out all my nukes. With 12 minutes left, I'm on step 2 of the plan. These chauffeur boxes are needed if I want to win, especially this one, which is for emergencies if I'm running out of time. But for now, all I need is this TNT minecart, which can take out majority of the army.
Running out of time. Okay. There's 2? Oh, I almost screwed myself. No, it's covered. There we go. Not near that. There we go. 10 minutes left. Did I even kill one person?
Running out of minecarts, it was time to start macing.
No. There we go. No. There we go. Ooh. There we go. That was a crazy shot. Oh my gosh, lettuce is... I might need to bring out the actual person to one. That took out a lot. Oh, I just hit a crazy combo. There we go. That's it. No, it gotta work. Last TNT. How are you not dead? I might need the black chauffeur. Where is it? I hit crazy combo.
After an entire month and multiple tries at this,
That's it.
I can say I finally won.
Okay. Is that it? Did I win? Okay, it's right here. Who else? Who else? Oh, look at all this loot. All this loot. It just took 2 months. Finally!